Good, good, good. That's starting to sound. Um, let's look at this thing for a second. I'm thinking in evolutionary terms. Natural selection. Somewhere after a million years, some species evolved to that. But it's like millions more years go by, and finally somebody gets to there. And then a billion years go by, and they get to there, and finally, at the reason, they get all the way to there. Instead of thinking it's not just an F major scale. There's a reaching up, and how far is it going to go? How far is it going to go? How far is it going to go? Again, a significance. Or also remember something else. You see that you're going from a D to an A there, right? Listener doesn't know that. You're seeing it in space. The listener is experiencing it not in space, but in time. So you start heading down, and they don't know how far you're going to go. And it's sort of exciting, wondering how far, and then you stop on the A and repeat it. Everything takes on lots of meaning. Try that one again.
Yeah.
It pooped out near the beginning.
Yeah.
Then it regained steam.
Okay.
Okay. Play it again, and this time, Allegro, once you get to dum ba da dum, play the F and go right to the high A, and leave all the other notes out in between, and see what that does. And all the way to the... Now, give me a reason for putting other notes in between the F and the A.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not happy yet with the second note.
Yeah.
There's a skip, and then it goes in steps. So say, this is a skip, this is a step, this is... Sometimes it helped me to reiterate, so that each note is... So the A becomes the result of something, and the inception of something else. This is the effect, and it becomes the cause of that, which is now the effect, but it also turns into a... So there's there's a pause you want to put into it.
Yeah.
Now, what if the pause is for a good reason? There's a hesitation in this. Can you express that hesitation without breaking up the line?
Yeah. Okay.
In other words, your instinct is good. Did you hear where the phrase broke between around the A and the B flat?
Yeah.
Play it all with one finger. And try to actually stay on each note. Now that was nice. See, Ollie, just do it as well as you do it with one finger.
Yeah.
Pretend you're going to crescendo now up that to a fortissimo in that. Everywhere actually. So when you're really feel like you're going to do some sort of bombastic Mahler crescendo there.
Yeah.
You broke it again between the A and the B flat. And one cure for that is to think of some ridiculous prototype like, oh, when the saints go marching in, Just sing that first four notes of, yeah, that'll get you right past that. Oh, when the same, when the, see, now you don't have to do that anymore.